Game!
We are the best partners in the world. We're back only. Fruits. Even the animal. We are the best partners of animals in the world. But the hardest thing to match is the fighting loser. In Philippines, we call it the cock. But here in XBC Packers, we are always busy. It's busy yesterday. It's busy today. It's busy tomorrow.
Rad, kuha mo ah.
Wow!
Wala na.
Good day, everyone. XBC Packers. You can always come. All day, all night. Every time, anywhere, anytime. Hey, you Barrera. We're all the best Packers in the world.
Alam mo.
Remember the day. Tawa na mo siya.
Lasing ka na ba?
No, I'm not. Tomorrow I will work at the SBC because we are always busy.
Yung abab.
Remember, in SBC Packers, if you work very hard, you will have the above job. Above job, you will be promoted in the above job. But if you work hard, but you're still new, you are a starter, you will have a below job. Below job. But for me, as an SBC worker,
Lasing.
hey, cameraman.
XFCB.
I will give all the below job for all that working in the SBC Packers.
Sakit na ulo ko. Right.
What?
Wala na.
I can say nothing. Mag-music na tayo.